Hello guys, my name is Gagan and this is my first ever video on YouTube. Since this is my first ever video, presentation of this video may not be up to the mark, but still this is how everyone learns, right? So my channel will be mostly comprising of videos related to Linux, its troubleshooting and various tools of Linux, specifically Kali Linux. Kali Linux is basically a Debian distro of Linux. You may pronounce it as Kali Linux or Kali Linux or anything you wish. From today onwards, I am completely switching to Linux operating system. All the tasks that I used to do and applications that I used to use in Windows operating system, all will be done in Linux now. So in this video, I'll be telling you some of the facts or the reason that I feel made me to avoid or get over Windows, specifically Windows 10. I'm not against Microsoft or Windows. I'm just sharing my experience with Windows 10. So here is the first point. Starting from the most annoying thing that I feel in Windows 10. The most annoying thing in Windows 10 is its updates. Getting updates is really good, but guys, the updates are really so frequent that an ordinary home user with limited internet data plan could not handle those updates. By saying this, I mean that in almost every 2 weeks you will get a new Windows update. These are not really small updates. Each update is of about more than 1 or 1.5 GB. So every month you have to spend 2 to 3 GB of your data just to update Windows. Is it really okay with you guys? For me, it's not okay at all. Instead of spending 2-3 GB on updates, I can download 1 or 2 full HD movies or 5 to 6 cam rip movies to enjoy my weekends. Yeah, that sounds good. I didn't get deeper in all those updates, so can't really tell you what all those updates are for. But getting so frequent and large updates is just irritating. The most undigestible thing about these updates is that they start receiving data or update computer without any permission of the user, and you just can't stop them from updating, or there is no cancel option while updates are being downloaded. And same thing is with Windows Store applications. Although the updates can be cancelled or delayed by getting into settings in store, but by default they will automatically start updating all those useless pre-installed applications that I bet no one has ever noticed in their PC. But getting so frequent updates is not good. So if you found your PC sometimes giving slow internet browsing speed on Windows 10, then do check store updates or Windows updates before contacting or blaming the network provider. Actually, I did it once and later found my own PC downloading those silly automatically updates. That was all about updates and useless data consumption in Linux or in any distro of Linux. You do not have to deal with any of this mess. No updates will be downloaded without your command, and even you can use the Linux operating system without updating it for years, and that's the best thing of Linux. Also, there is no any useless application in Linux. You will be master of your own computer. Just install whatever you need and customize it accordingly to your need. If you feel like there are some applications that can run only on Windows and they are not compatible with Linux, guys, Linux got the solution to this too. Wine and Linux application can do all the work for you. Now moving on to the next point. How do you feel when you are doing really some important work on your system and automatically another software runs at background and use a lot of system resources, which eventually makes your PC run slow, and you will start wondering like what happens to your PC, and before you figure it out, you will get a notification on notification area provided at bottom right corner that scan has been completed. Guys, all this work is done by Windows Defender. Yeah, the one and only antivirus software provided by Microsoft and Windows 10. Since it is a Windows, thus it must need an antivirus software. But comparing it with Linux, you don't really need an antivirus software, as in Linux there is nothing known as virus. Pretty awesome, right? Now let us talk about search or search results that we usually do by pressing Windows key and then typing something. Search results in Windows 10 are vast as compared to other Windows versions like Windows 8 or Windows 7 or even Windows XP. The results are sometimes or many a times irrelevant and also very slow. Sometimes you manually have to get into my PC and look for the file you are searching for, since many a times it misses some searches or applications. But search results in Windows 8 or 8.1 or even in Windows 7 or Windows XP were awesome and fast enough. This was my experience with Windows 10. I'm not blaming Microsoft or not forcing anyone not to use Windows. It was just my experience. Now let's move on to some facts about Windows. Windows is paid. Like you have to pay for a original Windows Home Edition will cost you around 8,000 Indian rupees, and for professional edition even more than that. Yes, we can download and install a cracked copy of it, but why to pay for something or get duplicate of it if you can get similar thing on even better than that for free, and of course the original one. That's right, Linux is an open source available for free. Most commonly used software in daily life is Office. In Windows, you also have to pay for a genuine copy of MS Office, but in Linux, it's totally free of cost. Windows 10 may not work on really old hardwares, but if it's Linux, let's bring it on. So, coming to the end, I want to conclude that Windows was officially made to make users work easy and fast, along with providing an awesome graphical user interface. No doubt, Windows is providing a good GUI, and Cortana virtual assistant is pretty cool. But what about making users work easy and fast? I think Windows 10 lacks this. But Windows 8 and 7 are pretty good than Windows 10. But Microsoft don't want us to use those versions of Windows by providing no support to any other version than Windows 10, and also by forcefully upgrading Windows 8 to Windows 10. If you do like the video, then please hit the like button and please do comment to let me know how I can improve the quality of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.